Yo, what's up guys? Back again with another video, and today we are going to be doing a review on the Clone Turbo Tank set 75151. This set comes with this comes with 904 pieces, and it is for ages 9 to 14. And the set retailed for $99.99, I believe, a couple of years back. Now the set does come with six minifigures there. I do have an extra Bark Trooper in the ATRT, just for convenience purposes, so I don't have to put one in there when I'm showing you guys the ATRT. But yeah, let's go ahead and just jump straight into the minifigures. So for this set, you do receive one of these new Bark Troopers, new style Bark Troopers, that are included also in the battle pack as well. There we go, looking good. I personally don't like the new helmet mold. I do like the green part of the mold, but I think the overall shape of the helmet looks a little bit off. Other than that, I think the camo body printing looks great. I think the brown legs with a bit of olive green in there looks great, as well as the back printing you guys can see here looks fantastic. Now I'll go ahead and grab an old style Bark Trooper here for you, just so you can see really fast. This is an old style Bark Trooper, my favorite minifigure ever made, and I think he looks much better than the new ones. I'm not sure. What do you guys think? Post in the comments below, huh? I think this one looks great. This old style Bark Trooper. I'll show you once more. As you can see, I think the old one is a little bit cooler. Alright, let's move on to the next minifigure you receive, which is Commander Gree, Phase 2. He is a great looking minifigure. As you can see, the front of him has that green sort of stripe on him, camo in the back. Looking good. I love the camo pattern on the front of his torso, and goes down to his legs, a little bit lighter, but looks fantastic nonetheless. And I think he looks great, guys. As you can see, the back printing is a little bit similar to the Bark Trooper. They have his helmet silver, I guess, with the green printing on him. He is Phase 2, of course, and I think he looks great. Let's go ahead and move on to the first Jedi you receive in this set, which is the Luminara Unduli character. This character looks amazing. I truly like this one a lot. So she is pretty similar to ones we've seen before, but she is more of a brownish color in this set. As you'll see, her head print is also different. On the back we have another kind of normal with teeth expression, other than the sort of goggle or glasses expression we usually see. As you can see, the torso is similar to what we've seen before, but there might be, I think, those little blue medallion sort of things around her neck are new as well. As you can see, when I turn it, it is very shiny, very cool looking minifigure, very awesome. I love this one. So for the second and last Jedi you receive in this set, you receive Quinlan Vos, another cool, really cool minifigure. As you can see, looks awesome. Amazing printing on the front for him, as well, going down to the legs flawlessly, as you can see, looking great. And I'll show you the back. We'll move his hair real fast. The back of him looks great. Double-sided head for him as well, in case you wanted to do a different expression. I think he looks like a great great minifigure, and was really awesome to be included in this set. Lastly, you receive two of these standard battle droids. There is nothing special about these battle droids. They are standard, same as always, the ones you receive. You do receive two of them though. And that will conclude the 6 minifigures that you do receive in the set itself. Now let's move on to the ATRT that you do receive in the set. Hold on. The ATRT is very cool. It's actually color schemed for this sort of Kashyyyk vibe. As you can see, I think it looks very cool. This is sort of my favorite ATRT build, actually. Mostly because of the color, but it's sturdy, never breaks. I think it looks great. It looks very similar to the concept from the movie. So I think it fits these characters very well. This is actually one of my favorite pieces for sure. I really love this one a lot, guys. Awesome olive drab ATRT that we received here. And it's pretty similar to other little walkers we've seen in the past, but obviously, like I said, Kashyyyk themed, and looks very cool. An awesome little ATRT included with this set. Now we'll move on to the main part of the set, which is the turbo tank. So the turbo tank itself can open up in a lot of different ways, and is an awesome vehicle overall, guys. So I will open it up for you so that you can see. This is my favorite vehicle, I think, in the Star Wars universe. We'll open up this side firstly. As you can see, the turbo tank opens up almost entirely on the side so that you can put all sorts of minifigures in there if you ever wanted to do so, or however you would like to do so. The top here also opens up, and the front, all of these panels do fold, so you can get minifigures in here. We have the driving seat up here, as you can see, as well as another control panel on the side here. This is what you are going to get from the this side of the vehicle. Now you can also open up, like I said, this other side of the vehicle, because all the panels do move except for these two on the back of the vehicle, I believe that is actually, yeah. So if we will turn this out of the way, you will see there's a front section that a minifigure could always go into. Another sort of control panel section there for him. We'll explain the top. There is a sort of little scout. As you can see, you could put a figure on the top of the crow's nest there. Oh, let's zoom out. You can see there is a figure on top of the crow's nest there. Awesome vehicle overall. Looks great, guys. We have some guns up front. Oh, looks like the other one there is not there. I'm not too sure where that one is. We have missiles on the side that do flick out if you touch them. I don't really want to touch them because they go flying, but yeah, we have 2 missiles on each side of this turbo tank, guys. Those are pretty cool. Once again, if I rotate it this way, there's a rotating turret here on the other side. Like I said before, a pilot minifigure could go in here, as well as 2 on this side, 1 up top, and as many as you would like in the center. As you can see, guys, there's plenty of room in there for all your minifigures or storage likings, as well as you can hold the whole. One thing I really like about this is you can hold the whole vehicle from up here for easy storage, easy moving. I think that's a great feature with the set, and I think overall runs at the set for a great value and a great buy overall. I think this set is one of those sets that if you're just a fan of LEGO Star Wars overall, it's one you're not going to want to pass up, guys, you know. And I feel like those that did are trying to get their hands on it nowadays, you know what I mean? I would be doing the same if I didn't get it back then. Thankfully, this is like my favorite LEGO set overall, like my favorite LEGO set, the Turbo Tank. The original one was my favorite. So I went ahead and got this as soon as I heard about it. Now we shall set up the stuff one more time so you can see what you get in the set. this is what you receive in the entire set. As you see, Gree still up top there on the gun. We'll grab him real fast, put him down. So this is what you receive in the set, guys. Overall, I would give this set a 10 out of 10 as well. I think this is one of the better sets LEGO has released over the years, and it's certainly worth the money, if not more money than they're trying to get for this set nowadays. I did see it was quite expensive sealed on Amazon, upwards of $400, which is quite ridiculous. I think this set's personally worth about like maybe $150. That's a good worth for this set. But like I said, I give this set a 10 out of 10. Make sure to leave a like on the video, guys, and subscribe to my channel. It really helps the channel. I'm trying to grow right now and keep doing these videos as I really love doing them. But I hope you guys enjoyed the review of the Clone Turbo Tank. And like I said, leave a like and subscribe on the video if you did. I'll catch you all in the next video. See you guys later.